Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Nanuk 904 case. This is a first aid case. We use it for our Iraq Veteran 8888 Boat Kit because it's floatable and it's supposed to be indestructible. So, let's take a look at it and we're going to see if we can destroy it. You guys seem to really like when I destroy stuff on the channel. If we take a look at the outside of the case here, it is lockable, so it is TSA compliant, so you could fly with this if you'd want to. The outside dimensions on the case are a little over 10 inches, like 10.2, 7.9, and it's 4.5 inches deep. It does have two locking mechanisms on either side. The handle is designed to stay in place wherever you put it, so that is a nice feature. And the same thing with the lid, so if you are going to put maybe camera equipment or first aid supplies, whatever, when you open up the case, it's designed to stay open as well. We do have a rubber seal going around the outside here, so this makes this case waterproof, and its buoyancy up to 7 pounds. We're going to test that here in just a few minutes. And you can buy these cases with the foam inserts. We just chose because we're using it for our first aid kit and we're packing a ton of first aid supplies in here that we chose not to go with the foam kits. So this case is supposed to be indestructible. So let's try our first test. We're going to run over it. Alright, this is where I scraped it on the driveway. Hold it up just fine. So I weighed the case first, 1 pound, 10 ounces. Then we added roughly 7 pounds of 45. And you can see that we're floating, so if you happen to lose 7 pounds of 45 over your boat, you're not going to lose it. This case is also supposed to be waterproof, so we can kind of test that in this test as well. All dry. Alright, so I think just for this test, we've drug it accidentally under my truck. I drove over it with the front of my truck. We did the water test, did the weight test, so I'm gonna take it and throw it like this open and see if we can jack the lid up or something like that. So let's try it. You know, in case you get mad or something. And we're still in good shape. Just out of curiosity. Kind of making it in there. Uh-oh. Kinda. Alright, so we finally started destroying it here. 904 is not stab proof. So according to my last video, all the comments, you guys seem to really enjoy me shooting stuff. But hey, I'm gonna shoot it. 300 blackout, my new Nomad 30 cal suppressor. So I do think the 904 would make a great case, no matter what you're using it for, camera case, first aid kit. Take a look at it. So I'll put a couple of links down below for you guys. If you're interested in purchasing this case with a SkinnyMedic logo on it, I'll put that link down below. Also, if you want to see what we put in the IV8888 Boat Kit with Eric and Chad, I'll put that link down below. It is jam-packed full of supplies. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.